Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Figma easily. Begin by creating a new file and adding a frame size to your target device, then place simple shapes to map layout areas. Use auto layout to stack items and maintain spacing when content changes. Name layers clearly and group related elements into components to reuse styles. Practice making one small UI card to learn swaps, constraints, and responsive resizing quickly and confidently. In this video, I will show how to use Figma easily. Turn a group into auto layout to keep buttons and text aligned automatically, and tweak padding for visual balance. Enable fixed width or hugging behavior to control how items resize, and use alignment options for consistent positioning. Combine auto layout with components to create flexible, reusable UI parts that adapt to content changes without manual adjustments, saving time and reducing errors. In this video, I will show how to use Figma easily. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more tips. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is my go-to for a clean car scent after long design sessions, and it pairs nicely with coffee breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if you want a fresh ride. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use Figma easily. Build a master component for repeated elements, then create variants to represent different states, like hover or disabled. Use instant swaps to change visuals across screens instantly, and apply component properties to adjust text, icons, or colors without breaking the link. Organize components in a clear library so teammates can reuse patterns, keeping designs consistent and speeding up the whole process for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.